Good morning, everybody. Good afternoon, some people. Good evening, others. It is Tuesday, September 24th, 2019. I am Lindsay Duff, and this is Responsible Day Trading. So I looked at it for a little bit yesterday, but I had a phone call coming through, which reminded me to power off my phone. I have a lot more work to do on this curriculum than I remembered doing before. I guess it took me a lot longer, and I just didn't pay attention to how long it took me. So I've gotten through the first section. I'm starting on the EMAs. I'm expecting to have that done probably tomorrow for the EMAs. Then I'll move on to the MACDs, to divergences, then to putting things together. So there's still a good amount of videos to do, and I'll probably be spending a good majority of my weekends working on it. This weekend I'm going to be kid-free. What? I love you kids, but have fun with your daddy. And so I know there's going to be a lot of time spent on getting this stuff done. I'm also updating all the PDFs, and I'm creating PDFs for ones that I didn't have before, because I find that the PDFs are really great for following along and being able to just make that solid connection at what I'm talking about, why we're walking through the examples, and really just being able to say, okay, this is what we talked about here, this is what we talked about here. You can print them out, you can look at them, whatever you want to do. So that is what's in the works right now. What I want to do, we've got about, it's 8:08, so we've got about 20 minutes until the market opens. Let's go ahead and take a look at it. I'm going to start off with the daily chart, and I have to keep putting these lines up every day, so they may not be in the exact same space, but I'm not an exact space kind of person. I think that this is still at the area, even though it overran it by just a little bit. It's still considered at the area. I mean, you can see here, it's just a little pixie poo back above. So anyways, let's look at what's going on with the daily chart. So we have pulled back up towards this area. This is actually a really good signal of going up. The reversal bar right here pushing towards the upside, MACDs rolling towards the upside. I wouldn't expect the height to go much further than what we see right here. Can it? Absolutely. But my expectations, which is what I base almost all of my trading off of, because we don't know what's going to happen, we have to pay attention to what we anticipate to happen. So what I'm anticipating is something similar to along the lines of this. Not a super strong pull up, but a pull up towards the area and then a push back down. Maybe hang out there for a while, show us a little bit of divergence. Right now it is showing that nice little roll up to the upside to continue up. So what do we have to go along with that? Well, we've got a beautiful pullback into the area here on the 10,946. So we have pulled away from it, but we haven't closed back. Well, we've closed back above this bar, but we haven't closed back above the last high that was created there. Let me open this up just a little bit so we can get a little more in depth with it. Ready, Freddy? Ready. And by Freddy, I mean ES. Oh, yeah, I want to get my trading done early today. I want to be done by 10 o'clock. I have a call at 10:30, and then I want to be able to work on some other stuff today and get this video out. So I may even try and be done sooner than 10. We shall see. Okay, guys, the market has been open for 4 minutes. We do have news coming up in 30 minutes. Man, this spot looks really, really good for the push up. These are just still showing quite a bit of strength down. Yeah, there we go. Ooh. Like this reversal bar right here. We're going to give that one a shot. It may not work out, but I love this little reversal bar. Gave us a place to put the risk behind. Let's see if this pushes up from here. We're really going to need to break through this area, and we're going to need these MACDs to continue pushing up. Actually, I'm seeing reasons to add in 2 more. that little spot. Now let's break through here and move on up to the upside. When it hits that 2 points, we're going to move right up to this break even. There we go. Maybe not. There we go. Now we're at some break-even action. Ooh, that's the hardest, is just to watch it go on your target and not hit it. All right. Keep that drop right there. We're starting to see this BB pull back a little bit. I'm right behind this area. There we go. It pulls back and touches it. It's part of it. I may give this another 10 minutes and then we calling it a day. See if it'll grab me here. There we go. I got my finger over close button. If it starts to pull back, I'm probably going to get out of this one pretty quickly. Yeah, okay. Let's see if this gives me one more opportunity. Just was a little quick on the draw. Big reversal bar at that area. Let's go ahead and take this one out just to be safe. There we go. A lot of strength pulling through here. I'm actually going to go ahead and close this out. The reversal bar potential, the fact that we've got news in 10 minutes. So let's go ahead, 26 minutes. Let's pull this over and see what happened today. All right, 9.5 points. We started at 8:36. We ended up in 8:46. So in 10 minutes, 9.5 points, 1 loss, 3 wins. And I'm just looking at this right here. It was a fairly good decision. This could still go up from here. Okay, well, let's get these on here and let's call this a day. 4 trades, 3 wins, 1 loss, plus 9.5 points in 10 minutes. I'll even write that on there. And done. That's how you do it, folks. And I'm really actually working to minimize my time with the market so I can get other things done. Although I was talking about extending my time with the market before, right now while I'm working on the curriculum, I have to minimize my time with the market because I really want to get this out. But it also gives me some time to make some money and then still work on the things I love. I mean, someone asked me the other day, they said, well, you haven't been trading much in a while. And hello, Nate. How are you making money? Guys, I love trading and my money does come from trading, and I do have students, but I also have other arenas where I believe that we should have our eggs in more than one basket. I invest in things that I love, and I actually just recently invested in an app that I really believe in called Breaking Normal. So you should check him out, Daniel, if you have not. He's an amazing individual. I'm actually about 40 minutes from finishing his book right now, and I've followed him for years, and he's putting an app out. So I figured, you know what? I'll invest in that because it's always good to invest in the things that you believe in, the things that make you feel good, the things that you know will push you further in life. So, all right, guys, I do see this market still pushing its way to the upside. I can't see it very well because I got some stuff in the way, but that is going to wrap it up. 30 minutes here with y'all, 10 minutes with trading, and I'm done. So I hope everybody has a fantastic Tuesday. I'm going to be working to trade 2 to 3 days a week right now. It's going to be very short-lived. If it's moving really, really slow, I'm not going to trade because I have a lot of things to catch up on, and it should take me, I'm thinking there's about 20 videos that I'm looking to remake. When I made these videos, I was in this cramped little office, and it was one of those co-working spaces, so I was talking real soft and it's echoey in the background, and I may have not had all the confidence in, you know, are people even going to be interested in being a part of what I'm doing here? So, and that has since changed. So I definitely feel like there's an amazing program here for people to learn. I have seen a lot of amazing results from my students. And part of it is because we spend time together. We talk about, you know, what we can do to improve. It's not just, you did that wrong, you need to do better. It's here's what you did wrong, here's what you did right. Let's see where we can improve in both arenas, okay? And a lot of it is taken with a light heart. I believe that there is more than one way. I don't want to say that. There is more than one way to get the job done. And if you want to use other indicators and you want to work with somebody else, hey, go for it. If you want to use other indicators, I'm totally happy to work with them with you to figure out how we make them happen. If you want to use another program besides NinjaTrader, I have other students that use different charting programs. And while I believe NinjaTrader is the cream of the crop, I also know that there are other things out there and people have to experience other things before they settle on what they really need. So if I can help you in any way get these indicators set up on different charts, I'm going to do it. And I have done it with students in the past. So those who are using NinjaTrader 8, the MACDs that are in the intro to the curriculum, which is a free course, there is a video that I've created down below so you can put on the NinjaTrader 8 MACDs and get that set up with your NinjaTrader 8 and be able to see them properly. All right, guys, y'all got news in 2 minutes, so I hope everybody is making good decisions. And I love you guys. I do. Y'all help me to stay motivated and make me want to be a better person every single day. So I look forward to seeing y'all back around here in the next few days. And as always, you know, I look forward to catching you on the profitable side.